This is just a relaxing winter evening. Just watching the waves roll in. It's a sandbar offshore. When you walk off the shore, you'll walk out into deeper water. But then when you go out so far, it always gets shallower. And where these waves are cresting is where it gets shallower. So what you're seeing is a sandbar where these waves are cresting over the sandbar. Then it gets a little deeper again. So the waves fall over themselves when they hit the shallow water. A while ago it was just straight as an arrow lines of waves. They've changed direction now and the winds come up. Of course I can't catch it like I'd like to. Can't catch it when it happens.